Hey, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you step by step the easiest and fastest way to buy Arbitrum on Kucoin. So Kucoin is one of the top exchanges. I've been using it for over 3 years. So in this video I will show you step by step how to buy Arbitrum. It's going to take only a couple of minutes. So the first step is to sign up on Kucoin. You can find the link in description. And when you sign up using my specific link in description, you will get massive amounts of bonuses because I'm one of the top affiliates for Kucoin. You will get massive amounts of bonuses. You can't get those bonuses elsewhere. So remember to use that specific link to sign up. After you have signed up, this is the first page that you will see. Okay, so the first step is to go to trade and spot trading. Okay. And here when you click here, and it is the search and type in ARB, you can see that it's listed here and it has USDT pairing. Okay, so what we're going to first do is we're going to buy USDT and then we're going to trade that USDT into ARB tokens, right? So this is how you do it. You simply go back to your Kucoin main page, okay, and where it says buy crypto, you can come here and click fast trade. So basically you can buy crypto with a debit or credit card. Okay, you simply come here and then you select the currency that you want to pay with. Okay, and then you select USDT. Then you just select how much you want to buy, and then you buy it like you would buy anything online. It literally takes like 1 minute to buy, and after you have done the purchase, your assets will instantly show up here in your main account. So the USDT that you bought with your credit card will instantly show up here, right? So the next step is to, you can see here where it says transfer. So you have two accounts. You have main account and trading account. So on Kucoin, when your assets are on main account, you can withdraw them and deposit here, like you can see. And when they are on trading account, you can trade with them. So what you want to do with the USDT that you just got into your account, you simply click transfer. The transferring is easy and instant, and you know, it doesn't cost anything. It's free. You go from main account to trading account. You select how much you want to transfer, and then you simply confirm. Okay, then you click the trading here, and you can see that now that the USDT is in your trading account. Okay, so then you simply go back to trade. You click the search here again, type in ARB, click the USDT pairing, click market, and then you can select how much you want to buy with. So if you go with 100%, it means that it will trade 100% of your USDT to ARB tokens. Okay, so now when you click buy ARB, let me show you. You just click it buy. Now the trade has gone through. Okay, it makes that nice sound. And then you come here, back to trading account, and the ARB tokens will show up right here. So that's how you buy it. And then you can just transfer it, okay, from trading account to main account. Okay, and here you can withdraw it if you want. So that's how you buy ARB token on Kucoin. Very step by step, very easy to do. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. So remember to use that Kucoin link in the description to get massive amounts of bonuses for free. And see you inside Kucoin, and peace out.